Hi, good morning. I am Mary Julie Guban and I will do my report about Cisco project. This is my presentation. Physical layer. First layer of the OSI model. Network layer. Transport layer. Um, those are the examples from data link layer, physical layer, to data link layer, physical layer, transmission module. So the data link layer, it is for the encoding, decoding, and logical organization of data bytes. The data link layer's first sublayer is the media access control, uh, in short, MAC layer. So it includes the best physical address. It is concerned with the transmission of the messages on a single local network. The layer 2 addresses is unique on the local networks and represents the address of the end device on the physical media. Media access control, it refers to the sublayer that identifies who is allowed to access the media at any time. Two forms of MAC, distributed and centralized. Four methods of frame synchronization. A time-based, it is time-based between frames. B. Character counting in the remaining characters in the frame's header. Byte stuffing. A spatial byte sequence is preceded the frame, such as the LEETX. Byte stuffing. Bit stuffing replaces the start and end marks with flags consisting of a spatial bit pattern. Logical link control sublayer. This is the uppermost sublayer, combines different protocols running atop the data link layer and manages data from data flow, control, acknowledgement, and notification. Network layer. So those are the examples. And network E, network B. So network layer, it is responsible for packet forwarding, including routing. It provides services to exchange the individual piece of data over the network between identified end device. So router, it is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. It performs the traffic directing functions on the internet. So routers, home and small office routers. The most familiar type of routers is home and small office routers that simply pass IP packets between the home computers and the internet. So enterprise routers, these are more sophisticated routers which connected large business or ISP network up to the powerful core routers that forwards data of high speed along with the optical fiber lines of the internet backbone. So those are the examples of the routing. Routing, it is the process of selecting the best path for the traffic in a network or between across multiple networks. It is a translogical address packets from one another interface to another. So packet forwarding, those are the examples. Packet switching features delivery of variable bitrate data stream sequence of packets over a computer network which allocates transmission resources as needed using statistical multiplexing or dynamic bandwidth allocation techniques. So those are the examples. As you can see, the pictures, the images. Circuit switching is another principal networking paradigm and a method which is pre-allocates dedicated network bandwidth, especially for its communication session. So those are also the example of circuit switching. So you can see the switch 1, switch 2, switch 3 until 4. So transport layer, application, transport, internet, and link. So transport layer, it is a method of dividing the architectural protocols in the internet protocol suite and open system interconnection. It has host-to-host connection. It is responsible for transferring of information to the appropriate application process on the end devices. So transport services, a connection-oriented communication. A connection is using data streams that serve as a connection device rather than using diagram modem. Same order delivery packets provided by the network layers are not guaranteed to arrive in the same order that they were sent. Reliability, because of network congestion, packets may be lost during transport. Flow control, nodes are transmitted from one point to another. Congestion avoidance, information can also be connected. A network congestion avoidance, information can be congested. A network with congestion means a slow connection or transmission of information. Multiplexing, it is a combination of different signals for transmission path which provide multiple endpoints of a single node. So the protocols: ATP, AppleTalk transaction protocol; CUDP, cyclic UDP; DCCP, datagram congestion control protocol; FCP, fiber channel protocol; IL protocol; MPTCP, multiple TCP; RDB, reliable data protocol; RUDB, reliable user diagram protocol. So protocols: STCP, stream control transmission protocol; SPX, sequence packet exchange; SST, structure stream transport; TCP, transmission control protocol; UDP, user diagram protocol; UTP, micro transport protocol. So that's all. Thank you so much.